Their brain is getting drained every single day. Our kids live in a world full of pressure, homework, exams, screens, so much going on. Think of your child's brain like a phone battery. When too many apps run at once, the charge goes down fast. And then we parents think, have you seen this? Sometimes the smartest kids get tired, stressed, and give up first. It's not because they don't study, it's not because they are lazy, but because their brain is getting drained every single day. Today, I will show you why this happens, what is going on inside the brain, and 3 simple tools you can use to help your child. Our kids live in a world full of pressure, homework, exams, screens, so much going on. Every beep of the phone, every switch from the homework to chatting, every late night study, it looks small, but each one eats away the brain energy. Think of your child's brain like a phone battery. When too many apps run at once, the charge goes down fast. And then we parents think, my child is lazy. But no, that's not laziness. It's brain running out of power. If you have seen your child tired or moody after studies, type yes in the comments. You are not alone. So what's really happening here? The brain has 2 important parts. One is thinking brain, memory, focus, problem solving. The other is alarm brain. When it feels stress, fear, or too much work, it rings loud. And when that alarm is on, the thinking brain shuts down. That's why kids know everything at home, but in the exam, they forget. It's not that they didn't study, their brain is just in survival mode. Now, how would you know if your child is burning out? Look for these. First, always tired, even after a good sleep. Second, irritable or angry. Third, forgetting things they already learned. Fourth, trouble sleeping or hiding in screens. These are not signs of weaknesses. These are signs of a stressed brain. And if you want to know more about how stress shuts down focus, watch my video, Why Your Child Quits Everything. I'm linking it here. So how can we parents help our children? Here are 3 simple brain tools you can use. 1. 25 minutes focus. Ask your child to study without phone for 25 minutes. One block of deep focus gives better results than 3 hours of distracted work. 2. Choose 1 hour a day with no screens, no TV, no laptop, nothing. Just like muscles need rest, brain needs rest too. Third, when stressed, train your child to quietly notice 3 sounds, touch 3 things like pen, desk, paper, and take 1 slow breath. In 2 minutes, the brain calms down and focus comes back. I worked with a teen who was very bright but always tired and anxious. Her parents thought she was lazy, but her brain was in burnout. We tried simple steps, better sleep, 25 minutes focus blocks, and quick resets. Within weeks, her memory came back. She became confident again. This is what happens when you train the brain the right way. Parents, smart kids don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because their brain is overloaded. You can change that. Give them focus time, rest time, and recovery time. And if this video helped you, subscribe to my channel and share it with another parent. And tell me in the comments which brain drain do you see most in your child. I would love to hear. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.